Okay, here's the situation. I've got a kid home from college for the summer. I've got another kid about to go off to college. We just had a graduation party, two graduations, a graduation party, a birthday. We just went on a 3-week camping trip. We've got summer jobs. I've got my college kid, my oldest, moved into my studio for the summer. It used to be an art studio. Now it's like just storage. I don't know what happened to it, but he's living in it. It's all temporary. It's all temporary. I feel like this room that is usually really well, beautifully organized and clean is right now a just complete catch-all disaster. I've got stuff everywhere. I've got stuff everywhere. And because I'm a mom, I'm at that point where I'm about ready to just, I don't know, take a fire hose to the entire room and just get rid of everything. The house is not usually like this. It's a very narrow space. I only have so much room to work with here, people. Anyway, we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna clean this up. I've got toiletries, I've got coolers, I've got tents, I've got bicycles. I got stuff. And it's gonna get cleaned up. I've got a coffee cart over here that has no coffee cups on it. Like, how are we supposed to make coffee with no coffee cups? I've got pillows just all haphazard over here. Like nobody knows how to fluff a pillow in this house. Listen. We know better, but sometimes we just don't act on it, right? So that's what today is. I'm in spring cleaning mode in the middle of summer. Are you with me? We all reach that point. We all reach that point sometimes where we just need to clean up. I just need to clean. I got just stuff sitting on the chair. Why would it be just sitting there? Does it not belong somewhere? Did we not have a home for it? Anyway, let's go. Listen, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it's livable. It's clean. It took maybe 15 minutes, maybe. Set a timer, play some music, and get it done. Just check it off, and the rest of your world is so much better when your spaces are clean. This is a better way to live than it was before, where there's just junk everywhere. There's stuff set everywhere. Now we can have a nice clean space to move around in.